So this is the all-new 2020 Hyundai Sonata Limited. As you see, it's been redesigned for the brand new 2020 model year with its new aggressive front fascia. And the coolest party trick that you can do, pulling itself into a parking space for you, or it'll even notice objects too close to it. So you're gonna have these nice new aggressive lines, the new rims, LED turn signals on the side, breakaway fold-away mirrors, your bird's eye view camera, full panoramic sunroof, this new aggressive rear fascia here with the integrated spoiler. Now the fun parts are always going to be inside. All right, so now we're going to show you the features of the interior. See here, always the fun part of the drive, making sure you like the vehicle. You're going to get the 10.25 inch touchscreen here with your built-in navigation, as well as your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. So if you want to plug in your phone, get your text messages, phone calls, your navigation through Waze, Apple Maps, Google Maps, whichever one you prefer, all projected in there. You are going to have our shift-by-wire as well, no more manual shifter. It's an intelligent system that's going to notice if you take your seatbelt off and open the driver's door, it's going to automatically put itself in park. If you turn the vehicle off, it's going to automatically put itself in park. And there you saw a really nice feature, which is called lead vehicle departure. So the car in front of me pulled out there, so it's going to let me know that nobody's in front of me anymore. Another cool feature is our lane follow assist, which is different from lane keep assist because you don't have to be going above 40 miles an hour like other systems. So you're going to notice it's that green symbol there with the steering wheel, and it's going to keep me in the lanes here. So if I take my hands off the steering wheel for demonstration purposes, it's keeping me dead center. You're going to have your lane keep assist, forward collision, adaptive cruise control on this model as well, and your heads-up display. So that's going to be the one there. It's going to show you all of your safety features. It's going to show you your speed limit because it's pulling from the navigation, the speed I'm currently going, any safety features that detect. You also have your blind spot detection, which is going to tell you when someone's within the rear within 20 feet. When you put your turn signal on, it looks 230 feet back. When you put the car in reverse, it looks 65 feet right and left for oncoming traffic. And here you also see an addition of that bird's eye view camera that I told you about earlier. It's going to be our blind view monitor. It uses the side cameras to go ahead and show you the side angle of the car whenever you put your turn signal on, so you can make sure the vehicle's nice and clear there. Nice full digital cluster here. Going to give you all your different modes, and as well as when you change your drive modes, it's going to change them to correlate with it. So when you go sport, it's going to turn everything red, which is going to give you the most power, closer 0 to 60 times, because it's going to hold you in those bottom gears, rev the engine out more, tighten up the steering wheel as well. Custom, you can adjust how you want the steering and how you want the transmission to respond. And then normal is going to be your everyday driving condition, and smart, which is my favorite, is going to notice your throttle input and change the modes for you in real time. So it's going to be a nice way to keep it. So when you hammer down on it, it's going to put you in sport mode automatically, and you'll see even the smart turns red. And when you back off of it after a little bit, it's going to notice you calm back down and put you into normal mode. You also still do get your paddle shifters. Hyundai still wanted you to have a way to shift the gears since we no longer have the Shiftronic transmission in here. Hyundai still wanted to make sure it took care of you. You are going to have your leather here, of course, in this color. It's a beautiful one. Integrated memory seats, as well as your Bose sound system in this model. So you're going to get that higher audio quality for those people who like that. So when you play your music, it's going to be nice and loud for you. Tilt telescopic steering wheel, so this can come in, out, back, and forth as well, so the car can completely adjust to you. You also get our Blue Link, which is our remote telematics service that allows you to remote start the car, set the temperature, run vehicle diagnostic reports, all from a smartphone, smartwatch, Google Home, Amazon Alexa. You also get all of your commands here with your SOS and your nav link there. And just like that, we're going to bring you back to the dealership here. Glad you liked everything here. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe on this video, and reach out to Universal Hyundai for any more information on this Hyundai Sonata Limited.